Draw attention to your photos and journaling by creating a broken stroke outline with phrases and dingbats. This video is being filmed in expert mode of Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Photoshop, except where noted. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to personalize a broken stroke outline with a phrase. I hope to inspire you to try this technique for yourself using not only a phrase, but dingbats as well. I'm beginning here with a new 12 by 12 inch document at 300 pixels per inch with a white background, and I've already reset the color chips to the default of black over white. First, in the Layers panel, click on the Create a New Layer icon. Then, get the rectangular marquee tool, and in the Tool options, click on the New Selection icon, set the feather to 0, the aspect to fixed size. Photoshop users set the style to fixed size. Enter a width of 6 inches and a height of 4 inches. A word of advice: this frame is not something that you can stretch. If you need a different size, make that adjustment now to suit your needs. Next, on the document, click and drag to position the selection so that it's centered on the document. In the menu bar, choose Edit, Stroke Outline Selection. Photoshop users choose Edit Stroke. In the dialog box, set the width to 8 pixels. Click on the colored chip, choose black, and click OK. Set the location to inside, the blending mode to normal, and the opacity to 100%. Uncheck Preserve Transparency and then click OK. Press Ctrl D, Command D on a Mac to deselect. Now we are going to add some type. Get the horizontal type tool, and in the tool options, open the font picker and choose a font. I'm going to use Myriad Pro Condensed. Set the size to 18, the leading to auto, and the tracking to 0. Click on the center align icon and then click on the color chip and choose black. Photoshop users, please refer to the manual. On the document, click once inside the bottom right corner just above the bottom of the stroke frame and type the phrase you wish to use. I'm going to use the phrase, "A Mayan Blessing." Click the check mark to commit the type. Next, let's move the type layer into position. In the Layers panel, the type layer should still be active. Get the Move tool, and in the Tool options, uncheck Auto Select Layer, but check Show Bounding Box. Photoshop users check Show Transform Controls. Press the arrow keys to nudge the type down to center it on the stroke line. I'm going to move mine over just a little as well so it's closer to the right side. Now that we have the type positioned where we want it, it's time to remove a portion of the stroke outline. Get the rectangular marquee tool, and in the tool options, click on the New Selection icon, set the feather to 0 and the aspect to normal. Photoshop users set the style to normal. On the document, click and drag out a rectangle centered around the type. To reposition while dragging, press and hold the spacebar. In the Layers panel, click on the stroke layer to activate it. Press the backspace key, the delete key on a Mac, to remove the selected portion of the stroke outline. Press Ctrl D, Command D on a Mac to deselect. Next, let's merge the layers. In the Layers panel, the stroke layer should already be active. Hold down the Shift key and click on the type layer. Now both the type layer and the stroke layer should be active. In the menu bar, choose Layer, Merge Layers. Lastly, add papers, elements, a title, and some journaling as desired to finish your document. And don't forget to save it. Here is my finished page. Creating the broken stroke outline was just the perfect way to draw attention to the story of my page. Before I go, I'd like to share with you a few more pages I created using dingbats in place of the type. For instructions on how to do this, please refer to the manual. Here on this page, I used an arrow from the Suit Icons dingbat font from Font Squirrel to put the focus on my grandson buckling his seatbelt. "Safety first," he says. And on this page, I created the broken stroke outline using a Christmas light dingbat from the Journal Dingbats 4 font, available for download from 1001 Fonts. The possibilities truly are endless when creating a broken stroke outline using phrases in Dingbats. I can't wait to see what you create. For a free PDF version of this video, click on the download link and then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This has been Gina Harper from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told.